In this tutorial, we will build an inhabited bridge. We will use provided medieval house prefabs, but you can use our own houses. The tutorial uses the premium version. You can also use the prototyping version, the difference being only aesthetic. Draw a stone bridge as you have previously learned. Choose a worn-out stone as materials preset. For the bridge width, choose 15. Uncheck the sidewalks checkbox and the head columns checkbox. We will postpone the bridge generation because we want the bridge length to fit the houses row. Open the 3D World in Seconds folder, then the Bridges folder. Open the Prefabs folder, then the Houses folder. Drag and drop the House 1 prefab into the scene view at the bridge start. Rotate the Y-axis to get the house aligned with the bridge. For your convenience, you can round the Y rotation figure. Drag the house horizontally to fit the bridge borders. Adjust the house elevation to be right on the bridge top. Now, we drag a second house prefab. Copy and paste the Y position from the first house, idem for the Y rotation. You have then to adjust manually its horizontal position. Repeat this process for each type of house that you want to add. Don't worry about the accuracy. You will make precise adjustments once the bridge is generated. When there is no more type of house to add, things are quite simple because you only have to duplicate existing houses. Group all the houses at the hierarchy bottom, so that the new houses will be grouped with the first ones. For each house that you want to duplicate, press Ctrl D, then drag the duplicated house along the X arrow to reach the chosen position. When you have added the last house, select the bridge, then, with the scene in top view, move its endpoint to fit the houses row. Now, generate the bridge and adjust houses position to just hide the guardrail. It is time to see in play mode what it looks like. Here, we see that the last house needs a slight adjustment. Select all the houses by maintaining the Shift key pressed, then duplicate the row with Ctrl D. Drag the whole row toward the other side of the bridge. You will note that these new houses are not oriented properly. With all the rows selected, add 180 degrees to the Y rotation. Here, 27 plus 180 gives 207. You must now drag each house along the blue arrow, so that the guardrail will be just hidden. You can also make adjustments along the X-axis. Once satisfied, check details in play mode in order to correct any remaining issue. This tutorial is now finished. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you again in another tutorial.